How to enable system cooling policy in your power options. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily turn on the system cooling. So the first thing you're going to have to do is go ahead and open up your power options. So first of all, open up your control panel. Now once you open up your control panel, make sure that your view by category is set to large icons and then scroll down. From here, you're going to have to find the power option right here. Once you go to power option, go to change plan settings and head over to change advanced power settings. And if you go here, you will be able to see the processor power management. Just click on this plus icon and here you'll be able to see minimum and maximum processor state. But there is no system cooling policy. So in order to bring out this option, you are going to have to first go ahead and open up your registry editor. Go ahead and search for registry editor and run it as administrator. Click on yes. Now you will get a location path on the description, or you could just follow these simple steps. So first thing you're going to have to do is open up your registry editor. Go to your HQ local machine and then go to, from here, you're going to have to go to control current user, open both of these up. Now from here, go to system, and then once your system pack is open, go to current control set. And then from here, you're going to have to go to control. And from your control, you're going to have to find your power. So just tap on any one of them and type on P, and you'll see your power options right here. Open it up. Now on your power profile, find your power settings and you will find a lot of folders here. So the folder that you are going to have to find here is something that starts with 5 and this one right here, 503321. So this one right here, open it up and you will see a lot of subfolder here as well. So the subfolder you're going to have to find is 94D3A. So it's going to be down here, 94D3A, this one right here. Click on it. You'll find the attributes option. Click on it, and the value data here is 1. You're going to have to make this 2. Click on OK. Now, once you have done that, you can close all of these up. So let me just go ahead and close all of this and simply give your PC a quick restart. Once you give your PC a quick restart, you should be able to get the cooling option on your computer. So now if I go ahead and search for the edit power plan option here and open it up, what happens now is if I go to change advanced power settings and go to processor power management, I'm going to get this system cooling policy option. Now I can go ahead and click on active here and change it to active or passive, depending on your choice. So that's how you get this option. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.